Hi, Jane Cleland here. The question is, can I use brand names in my writing? Should I use brand names in my writing? Well, keep in mind I'm not a lawyer, so I'm certainly not giving you legal advice, but I can share what I do. If I have something nice to say, I am comfortable using the brand's name. If I don't, I won't. But I think another question is, why would I be naming it? I don't want to name drop just for the sake of name dropping. I would only mention the brand name if it were relevant or if it's idiomatic to the region or the character, then I would be comfortable doing it. Otherwise, I would keep it pretty generic. Someone's having a ginger ale, not a brand name ginger ale. Now, would they have a Coke or a Pepsi? Sure. And I would probably name that because saying that they had a cola just doesn't sound right. Um, in terms of other kinds of brand names, Post-it note, make sure you capitalize it right. Capital P, hyphen, little I for the it, capital N. That's their brand name. That's how they capitalize it. So be sure you do that right. I look forward to hearing what you decide. I'm sure you're going to make a sensible decision that moves your story forward without bogging it down, without burdening it with unneeded details. And if this tip had value for you, would you like it? Would you share it? Would you subscribe to the channel? That opens up features that lets us make these videos even more valuable for you. Thank you.